Welcome to English literature class, my dear students of class 10th. At present you are studying Act 4, Scene 1, line number 405. The speech of Duke. Duke says, "He shall do this, or else I do resent the pardon that I late pronounced here." He says, "He shall do this, he must do this, otherwise I will withdraw the pardon that I have just granted him. I will not pardon him." Portia says, "Art thou contented, Jew? What dost thou say?" Portia asks, "Are you contented? Are you satisfied, Jew? What do you have to say?" Shylock says, "I am content. I am satisfied." Portia says, "Clerk, draw a deed of gift." Clerk is in Nerissa, you know. Draw up a gift deed. Shylock says, "I pray you give me leave to go from hence. I am not well. Send the deed after me and I will sign it." Shylock says, "I request you to allow me to go home because I am ill. Send the deed to me and I will sign it." I will sign it. Duke says, "Get there, gone, but do it. You may go, but do sign it. You may go, but do sign it." Cristiano says, "In christening shalt thou have 2 godfathers. Had I been judge, thou shouldst have had 10 more to bring thee to the gallows, not to the font." Cristiano is in great anger. He says, "When you have the ceremony of baptism, you shall have 2 godfathers. Had I been the judge, you would have had a jury of 12 to send you to the gallows instead of sending you to the font of baptism." Shylock departs. Duke says, "Sir, I entreat you home with me to dinner." Duke requests to Portia as well as Nerissa to come home and dine with him. So Duke says, "Sir, I invite you to come home and dine with me." Portia says, "I humbly do desire your grace of pardon. I must away this night towards Padua, and it is meet I presently set forth." Portia says, "I humbly request your grace to excuse me. I must leave for Padua tonight, and it is important that I start soon." Duke says, "I am sorry that your leisure serves you not. Antonio, gratify this gentleman, for in my mind you are much bound to him." Duke says, "I am sorry that you have no spare time to accept my offer. Antonio, thank this gentleman. I think you are greatly indebted to him. I think you are greatly indebted to him." The Duke, the nobles and officers of the court leave. Bassanio says, "Most worthy gentleman, I and my friend have by your wisdom been this day acquitted of grievous penalties, in lieu whereof 3,000 ducats due unto the Jew, we freely cope your courteous pains withal." Bassanio says, "Most worthy sir, my friend and I have, due to your wisdom, been saved from terrible legal penalties today. In payment for this, we offer to pay you 3,000 ducats, and which we owed to the Jew." Bassanio says that he and his friend wanted to pay 3,000 ducats as fee, which was given to Jew. we are most willing to pay you for your kind services. Antonio says, and stand indebted over and above in love and service to you evermore. Over and above this, we will always remain indebted to you for love and service. Portia says, he is well paid, that is well satisfied, and I delivering you am satisfied, and therein do account myself well paid. My mind was never yet more mercenary. Portia says, he is paid well, who is fully satisfied with his work. Very good line. He is paid well, who is fully satisfied with his work. I am satisfied by saving you, and thus I feel I am paid well. I never thought of any other reward than this. I pray you know me when we meet again. I wish you well, and so I take my leave. I hope that you will remember me when we meet again. So I give you my best wishes and take leave of you. After that, the speech of Bassanio will be taught tomorrow, and the day after tomorrow, Act 4, Scene 2, and that will be the last video of The Merchant of Venice. Thank you, students. Thank you so much.